just enjoy giving back to the community and while still crocheting and knitting.
Hey everybody, I am here with a very special guest joining me with some tea. Stacy Weiner is here.
How you doing?
Tea with Shira set has never smelled so fresh and clean because we have some soap sacks to talk about today. So why don't you tell us, what are soap sacks?
Each of these soap sacks, I put a bar of soap, they're either knitted or crocheted, and I donate them to food pantries, homeless shelters, transitional housing. And then gradually people started becoming interested and they were doing soap drives for me, and then people were offering, just local friends and local knitting groups were starting to get involved and they wanted to be part of this.
How did this idea come to you?
I've always been knitting and crocheting blankets and donating them to different groups. It was definitely 2 summers ago and I said, I am not gonna bring a blanket and start crocheting on the beach. It was just too hot and I'm definitely a beach girl. And at the same time, I was volunteering in a food pantry and I noticed that people were always asking for toiletries, and very infrequently do we ever get donations of toiletries. So I started really thinking about it and I said, you know what, maybe soap sacks would be the thing. So I looked up some patterns, I tweaked some patterns, and started crocheting them on the beach. And then the first grouping that I donated to a pantry, people were so thrilled because not only are they getting a bar of soap, which is costly for the underserved population, but also they're like, we can keep this and it's soft. They could use it as a loofah. They can use it to store their soap, especially if they live in shelters.
So Stacy, you have been doing all these, you've been promoting the soap sack movement. Now tell me, how many have you made?
You're not going to believe, in less than 2 years, I have distributed 5,000, almost 5,000.
5,000.
It might be 5,000 by the end of this week.
Her main goal on coming on Tea with Shira today is to encourage all of you.
Right.
And that hopefully within 2 years of watching this Tea with Shira, you can donate 5,000.
And I feel that the first time you donate, you will see how contagious it is and how rewarding, and the response is so overwhelmingly positive that you're going to want to do it again and again.
I love that these are such quick and easy projects.
Absolutely. And that's what people said, that they feel this sense of accomplishment. Not only are they completing a project, but now they're giving it to somebody.
I love it, and I love that you've used our cotton yarn. So we have kitchen cotton here,
right,
and we also have
24/7
cotton. There's going to be a pattern for people to follow in knit and crochet. We highly recommend that you use either kitchen cotton or 24/7 cotton. Any of the 100% cottons that we have.
All these pretty colors.
Yeah, I mean, they're so colorful. And with spring break and with summer coming up, it's great. It's lightweight. It's not, you're not going to be schwitzing on the beach, I promise.
No, you won't. I can tell you won't.
It's like the most ideal yarn to use in the warm weather. And like you were saying, not only is it great for like the beach and quick projects, but also for people that don't want to get involved in such a heavy project.
Exactly.
The crochet pattern and the knit pattern, it's simple and it's easy,
very
simple. You can be making a difference in someone's day.
Right. And on one skein of yarn, you can get 2 to 3 sacks.
I love that. That's great. That's great. That's both with kitchen cotton and 24.
Yes,
that's awesome. It is such a wonderful idea. And Stacy, I appreciate she was so passionate on the phone. She was so passionate in this interview. So I hope that you've caught the passion bug about soap sacks. I know a lot of you out there, and I have met you, and I know how big your hearts are. So I think that this is just one of the many other ways to make your heart grow even bigger. And Stacy, everyone's going to be able to find the pattern right down here below. You can find the pattern and your Facebook page.
Yes,
and they can follow the life of Soap Sack.
Right.
They can follow the movement.
Yes.
They can follow everything about Soap Sack on the Facebook page. So that's below, along with the patterns for knit and crochet. And remember, the 2 yarns that are great for this are kitchen cotton and 24/7 cotton. And you have colors of the rainbow.
Yes.
Beautiful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Lion Brand Yarn, and of course, leave a comment below on what color you're going to make your soap sack. Enjoy giving back to the community while knitting and crocheting. I'm into it. Bye, everybody.
Bye. Take care. And did I do the thumb? I was still supposed to do the thumb.
You were on
It looks like, wait a second, it looked like I was like trying to like hitch a ride.
You were awesome.